Have you ever wondered why a stock can skyrocket hundreds of percent and then suddenly lose billions in market value? SMCI has been one of the biggest AI winners. But here's the scary part. Some investors believe this company could become one of the biggest AI success stories of the decade. Others think it could be one of the most dangerous AI stocks to own. So, who's right? Today we're uncovering the biggest risks of investing in SMCI stock. And trust me, the final risk is the one most investors completely ignore. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe because we upload new AI stock analysis every week. Let's jump in. SMCI has become one of Wall Street's biggest AI success stories. The company builds high-performance servers that power artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and modern data centers. As AI demand exploded, SMCI's business grew rapidly, revenue increased, profits improved, and investors rushed to buy the stock. But here's something many people forget. A great company doesn't automatically make a great investment. Sometimes expectations become so high that even good news isn't enough. That brings us to the first major risk. Risk number 1, high expectations. Right now, investors expect SMCI to keep delivering explosive growth quarter after quarter. If revenue comes in slightly below expectations, if profit margins shrink, or if management gives weaker guidance, the stock could fall hard, even if the business itself remains strong. That's the reality of high-growth companies. Now let's move to risk number 2, dependence on the AI boom. Most of the excitement around SMCI depends on artificial intelligence continuing to grow at an incredible pace. But what happens if companies slow down AI spending? What if cloud providers reduce infrastructure investments? After building enough capacity, growth could slow much faster than investors expect. The AI revolution is real, but no industry grows at full speed forever. And that's exactly why smart investors always prepare for both good and bad scenarios. Risk number 3, competition. SMCI is growing fast, but it isn't alone. Large technology companies are competing for the same AI infrastructure market. Some competitors have larger financial resources. Others already have long-term relationships with enterprise customers. As competition increases, profit margins could come under pressure. Now let's move to risk number 4, supply chain challenges. SMCI depends heavily on advanced chips from companies like NVIDIA and AMD. If chip production slows, if supply becomes limited, or if deliveries are delayed, SMCI may struggle to fulfill customer orders on time. Even with strong demand, supply issues can reduce revenue and hurt investor confidence. Now let's talk about the biggest risk. Risk number 5, investor psychology and valuation. This is the risk many people ignore. Stocks don't always fall because the company performs badly. Sometimes they fall because expectations become unrealistic. Imagine SMCI reports 40% revenue growth. That sounds incredible. But if Wall Street expected 60%, the stock could still sell off. The market rewards companies that beat expectations, not companies that simply perform well. That's why AI stocks often experience huge price swings. Now here's my personal opinion. I believe SMCI still has strong long-term potential because AI infrastructure demand could remain strong for years. However, I also believe investors should avoid chasing the stock after massive rallies. Buying a great company at the wrong price can still produce poor returns. As for price prediction, no one knows exactly where SMCI will trade in the future. But if AI demand remains strong, earnings continue improving, and management executes well, I believe the stock has the potential to move significantly higher over the long term. At the same time, investors should expect sharp corrections because high-growth stocks rarely move up in a straight line. Now, I want to hear from you. If you had fresh money to invest today, would you buy SMCI, buy NVIDIA instead, or wait for a market correction? Comment below with your price target for SMCI and tell me why. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI stock analysis every week. Thanks for watching. Stay informed, invest wisely, and I'll see you in the next video.